So dear friends, in a previous video, I showed you how can you add a third-party link to your Facebook story. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add a third-party link to your Facebook post. First, after opening your Facebook profile, just click on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now click on post. If you wanna add a photo, just click on photo here. Now select the photo from your phone gallery, this one. And after selecting your picture, look, here is no any option to add in the third-party link, okay? So what to do, just click on edit button here. And now at the top right corner, you'll see a link option here. So click on it. And now paste your link here. And now so just below the link, you'll see a very small note here. Viewers will be able to swipe up to visit this website, okay? I mean, when somebody watches your post, there will be a small indication to swipe up. And when they swipe up, they will directly reach to your website. That's it. So just click on add to add this link. And now your link is added here. And now to share this post with the public, just click on down in the bottom right corner and then your post will be shared. So this is how you can add a third-party link to your Facebook post. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.